Hello, everybody. This is take two of a video I'm trying to do. Let me move my mouse over because I think that's what happened last time. I think my mouse got hit and it clicked off on me, clicked the video recorder off on me. But anyway, hi. It's Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures. Hi. Technical difficulties. It's Friday. It is a cloudy day so far, rainy, but we need the rain, so I'm not going to complain. In fact, I wish it would really come down. That's what we need. We need a nice, good, steady rainfall for like a good day again, because it's pretty dry out there, you know. But anyway, I hope everybody's day's been going well. My day's been going good. I have a Mary Maxim haul to share with you. Um, I had it yesterday or the other day it came in, but I didn't make a video till now, so sorry. But I haven't gotten into it, so let's get started so I can get into it, right? Right. Oh, sorry, I got a dog right beside me, so I can't move. He was laying over there, like the good puppy he should be, and then when I turned around, he snuck himself, so he's like right there underneath my chair. If I move, I hit him, and I don't want to do that. Okay, so we got the heck with the bag. Two of these. Comfy Cotton Blend by Lion Brand in Ocean Breeze. Isn't that pretty? I love that blue and that green together. It's gorgeous. So this is a lightweight number 3. I always say that's kind of almost like a 4. That's a big 3. A light 4. But whatever. 7 ounces or 200 grams, which gives you 392 yards or 358 meters. It is washable and dryable in the machine, and it is 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Made a top out of this stuff. I've made a hat out of this stuff. I really like this stuff. You cannot have enough of this stuff on hand. So, yay! And then I got Red Heart. It's a wrap in the color Action, which is really pretty. These are a lightweight one. They are a lightweight one. Have machine wash, warm, cold, gentle cycle, dry, flat. Do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean. Not a problem. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. This is a 7-ounce cake or 200 grams, and you're getting 1,100 yards or 1,006 meters. And I've got 2 of them, so that's going to make something. That'll make something. I got 2 Bernat Softy Chunky in white because I bought them for a specific project and then went a totally different way. Because, you know, that's what I do. That's how I roll. Yeah. So now I have 4 of these balls of Softy Chunky white, which I'll use somewhere. I mean, you always use white, right? In fact, that's why I bought this. Because you always use white. And I'm learning that. And this stuff is so soft. So I've never used this. This is Red Heart Soft. Okay? Now, I don't like Red Heart because I've only ever tried Red Heart Super Saver and Red Heart Comfort. And I don't like either one of them. Comfort is not very comfortable at all. It's a step down from being as scratchy as Super Saver, but it's still not very nice. Um, this stuff, this stuff is nice. This stuff is soft. This stuff I would easily wrap up a newborn baby in. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem with that. Not right off the hop. I would do that. I would take this, knit something up, or crochet something up since I don't knit, and give it to a baby without having to wash it first. Like, this is soft stuff. It's really nice. So I have to say I like Red Heart Soft. I'll have to work with it and tell you how it works because I've never worked with it before. Ooh, look, center pole. Already I like it. Center pole. So I bought two balls. I wanted to try their wine because I'm looking for specific colors for my son's blanket. It's not very winey, I think. I think it's more of a dark cherry red. Not even that dark. So yeah, not kind of happy with that. But they go good together. So there's Canada. Happy Canada Day. Yeah. So that's my Mary Maxim yarn order that I ordered before I went to Michael's and I got that mega yarn haul. That was so much fun. It really was. I really enjoyed shopping at Michael's that day. Oh, and this came too. It's a baby rattle kit. Does somebody I know is having a baby? I'm not mentioning any names. But she's having a baby. Maybe you know of her. I don't know. She has a YouTube channel. But she's having a baby. So I bought a rattle kit so I could try amigurumi. Yay! So I get to play with that. So that's what I ordered from Mary Maxim. Then I decided I would try my hand at making a teddy bear. So I got my body, I got my head. This is my head with my nose. I don't have safety eyes or safety noses, so I'm embroidering it with yarn. That's my first try. I got ears done. I got two of these done for ears. Got two of these done for arms. Yeah, ears and arms. So I'm hoping it won't look funny. Then my Mary Maxim Yarn of the Month Club came in, and I got this. The Scrubby set. There's the picture. Isn't that pretty? Aren't those pretty hot pads? So yeah, I've never worked with scrubby yarn. Never worked with scrubby cotton at all before. This is 100% cotton. I checked. So that's what came in this month. So I'm looking forward to trying the dishcloths. I might actually use that kit and actually make the monthly thing. It's never happened before. My hubby keeps teasing me about it because I buy the kits. Like I get the Crochet of the Month Club kit, but I haven't made any of the objects that it's come with, you know. So he teases me about it. And I leave them in their little packages because you just never know. You just might. Could happen. But yeah, he teases me. So that's one I might actually use. With this scrubby cotton. I've seen it in stores. I just haven't bought it yet because I didn't like the prices in the stores. So yeah. Thanks, Mary Maxim. You actually came up with a kit I might actually use. Good on you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm looking around seeing what else I did. Oh yeah, got me a new crochet hook. I did. This is a divot. Let's see if I can get the writing in there. A divot slip 6.5. It's made, it's called Purple Heartwood. It's not very purple, but like not a vibrant purple, but it's more muted. But sometimes on the light kicks, you can really see that purple shade. So I like it. I like it a lot. I'm looking forward to it. I snuck it in an Amazon order because it was less than $10 and I had to try it. So I will make something with that hook soon so I can say, hey, at least I tried it. Give you guys a good honest review on it. Because I've seen the divot hooks, but I don't know, I haven't tried them and I didn't know it was wood. But because I've said to people, I'm not interested in buying any wooden hooks because of the upkeep, and I'm not really. But like I said, I didn't know this was wood when I ordered it, so now I know. Maybe they had it on the thing and I just didn't read. It's hard to say. It happens. I see things, I buy things, I sometimes don't read what they are all about. So yeah, it's a crochet hook. It'll get used. They're all handy for all sorts of things. But yeah, that's it. Oh, Cassie, you were really in the way, baby. Really in the way. So I painted last week. Hubby and I bought one of those, went to the dollar store like months ago and bought one of those wooden bird houses that you can buy at Dollarama, and they're just cheap things that you take home and you paint. So I painted it. Isn't that cool? Isn't that pretty? I like it. I like it. It's purple. Purple and black underneath with silver. But I like it. So there's a bit of a screen inside here that has to be glued. Oh, right here. There's a bit of a screen. I have to glue it in the window because that's where it belongs. And then that's going to get hung up outside. So yeah, I painted that. It was fun. Took an afternoon. But other than that, the kitchen is coming along. We have the walls painted and the cupboards inside painted. And now we just have to finish with the doors and the cupboard faces. And then, the drawer faces, like we've got all those taken off and they're all washed and we just got to finish sanding them and then wipe them down and then everything's going to get painted. So hopefully soon. And hubby's been working, so that's why things have not been happening. Hubby's been working for the village. Yay. So he's been working all week this week and he's working all week next week, or working next week anyway, and the week after. So yay. That's good. They like him. I like that. You know how the other day I was complaining I didn't have any black? Oh, remember these? That's like 35 ounces of black. Now I was going, how I don't have black. I don't have black. I can't believe I don't have black. All I had to do was look underneath my desk. They've been there all winter because I don't have a place to put them. Hold on. Yes, lie down over there. Lie down. Lie down, Gussie. Boy. Now I can at least move around without worrying about hitting him. He likes to be right up close. But then he drops me in my chair, and I like to be able to move around. But yeah, that's my yarn haul. Oh, yeah. You know I got Polly. How else would I stuff my stuff? So yeah, I'm just looking around, seeing if there's anything else I've accomplished. Otherwise making a mess in my room. Nope, I haven't accomplished anything other than the amigurumi. And I finished up a baby blanket, but I've already got it packed away, so I can't show you, and I'm sorry for that because it turned out really pretty. But it's already packed away. It's getting ready for shipment. And yeah, I have a baby jacket, but it's still waiting for buttons because I ordered buttons from Amazon way back in the end of April. And I'm still waiting. I guess they have to make the individual buttons by hand and then hand paint them or something because I don't know how else I'm getting my buttons. It's so slow. I want my buttons. But yeah, other than that, I miss my buttons. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. I am, other than the weather. But even then, like I said, it's nice. It's nice to have a day to have to sit in. You know? Hubby's home from work early because of the rain and because he has to do some things here. So that's nice. It's nice that he's home and it's Friday. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget my live Saturday. Every Saturday, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, I go on live. So hope to see you there. And thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Bye now.